So I've been riding for about 3 years now, and I pretty much exclusively wear a full face helmet for two reasons. One, I like having the shield in front of me without having the windshield on the bike. And doing the motovlog thing, it's just a lot easier to have the camera right here on my chin, so you guys get like a first person kind of view versus having it like hanging off the side of like a freaking half helmet or something. I will say that about 4 months ago, my curiosity got the best of me, and I actually ended up picking up like one of those low profile Sons of Anarchy style beanie helmets. I mean, it's DOT rated, that's what it says on it. I don't know if it actually is or not, you know. But it's spent a lot of time sitting in the box just because, like I said, I usually prefer the full face helmet. But recently I said, you know what, I'm going to take this out. It was a nice mild day. Let's check it out, see what all the fuss is about. I got notes. Nothing horrible, probably. Well, let's just say it's different. Oh, it's definitely different. It reminded me of like the first time I rode without like a full jacket. I got a sweatshirt on today because it's like 60 Fahrenheit this morning. That's insane. Like a half helmet would not be good for this. My whole face would be freezing. Which that's kind of one of the downsides of a half helmet anyway. I mean, it's weather. Your face is out there. You're just freaking raw dogging the air, I guess. I don't know. It's also pretty loud. Like, you'll hear some people say, like, oh, I wear a half helmet so I can hear things better. I mean, if you're sitting at a stoplight, yeah. Honestly, yes. I can hear a little better sitting at a stoplight. But once you get moving past, like this is a 25 mile per hour road. If you're doing 30 on this, kind of like we're doing now, in the full face helmet, I can't really hear the wind. But with your ears just hanging out there on the side, you hear everything, and it is loud. It's almost kind of uncomfortable, really, to be honest with you. It actually prompted me to buy a set of nice earplugs, which I should be riding with anyway. I don't know this if you know about your boy Lucky Aces, but my right ear is kind of don't hear as good as she used to. It's you know, mildly concerning. Which that's not necessarily motorcycles' fault. That's probably a combination of a couple different things. Mainly, I just can't get my finger out of there. You know what I mean? One of the other downsides too is like bugs and whatnot. I guarantee they're, oh my gosh, the freaking Ray-Bans I was wearing, man, those things look like they got splattered. I mean, not horrible, but damn, there are definitely bugs on it for sure. And I'm thinking, man, if that many hit my glasses, how many hit my face? Because there was at least one juicy one I felt. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. There was at least one freaking juicy bug who freaking just smattered his little bug face all over my face. And then other than the obvious of like not having the full head protection, those are the mainly real downsides. It also started to lift a little bit, but that might have been more of like an adjustment thing, not necessarily the design of the helmet itself. Because once I was getting to like 55, I could feel it start to lift off my my head a little bit. So at one point I even stopped and adjusted the strap and tried to tighten it, which was good. But then I had that problem at 60 instead of 55. So, I don't know. I didn't hate it, though. I definitely see why people ride with them, because you did feel a little more open, you know? It makes sense. I mean, I'm not here to tell anybody, you know, what kind of helmet they need to wear. I'm not even here to tell you that you have to wear a helmet. That's 100% up to you guys. I would like you to. I would really like you guys to wear a helmet because I care about you. Somebody's got to watch these videos, right? Oh my goodness. So it's definitely something I'll be riding again. If you want me to go into detail about what helmet I actually got, in case any of you guys are curious, just let me know in the comments. And if you didn't hear a thing I said because you're distracted by these beautiful 12-inch ape hangers and want to know exactly what the heck I'm riding, well, you can check this video out right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.